New capabilities for IronCAD's sheet metal parts have been added to allow you to copy custom properties from features from the folded to the flat. Located under the Tools Options for sheet metal, you'll see this new option, when it's enabled, will allow you to copy properties. For example, for our custom hole feature here, if we go to our IntelliShape properties, to our custom, we've added a new custom property called drill. When we unfold this, you'll see that that new unfolded feature for our custom profile also will carry that same property, for example, the drill. This is useful when you want to create drawings for your sheet metal parts and call out those custom properties on different layers. For example, we'll create this drawing. And right now, everything comes in on the same layer and style. If we go into our styles and layers, we can go into custom property mapping and add a new mapping for that property. For example, we added the one called drill, and the property value was yes. And we can set it on different layers. For example, we can set this on the sheet curves, for example, or even give it a different line type. Maybe we want to set it to a dot line type, and we can add that. If we go to our sheet curves, we'll go ahead and turn on the color. Maybe we'll set that to a reddish color here, and we'll turn that on. And when we hit apply and we update our views, you'll see that those custom properties are automatically transferred, and we also had on the holes as well. So this automatically transferred and allows us to set these onto different styles and layers in the drawing. So that's a useful enhancement to IronCAD's sheet metal to copy those properties from the folded to the flat so that you don't have to recreate them again on the flat pattern.